Ogun agagwa le sagen. Okon ya mofyugbon ya no rieke daiken no guni miewe. Sokbe sagen ni no guni gualo. I never see for this life when we say you as human being, you get dirty through your own eyes. Your own shame is plenty. You never think of your solution. You never think how you want to solve your problem. But you dey want to turn other people joy to sadness, or in the name of say you dey follow viewers. Good evening, my lovely wife, my sister Esther. I need to talk to one stupid brother, very stupid brother, Don Prince, because you know, say some people for this life, they not get sense at all. Don Prince is senseless. Don Prince is senseless. Before I go talk to you, Don Prince, may I just talk exactly. I want to play your voice. I want to play your voice, Don Prince. The reason why I want to talk to you, the reason why I need to talk to you, and the reason why people still need to know about you, your own very self, Don Prince. You are a nuisance. You are a disgrace to manhood. I tell you the truth. You just believe, say yes, you can make your living from social media. Believe me honestly. Edo ya Peter we expecting no you seven enyebo oruwe. Akbobonu na we agbe katikat, we agbe gidigidi. Again, why di my brother I mean, not boboli the way now. They will walk and leave you in that junction. May I play your voice for you, because you not get sense. You not get sense. Prince, you not get sense at all. Just they sit down for social media, they find people joy, people happiness, when you want to pay them bad. Go fall for your head very soon, don't worry. Maybe any of you do boo self. Ekue ete agariota. Maybe equal no bien way. Or a mon weve beer. Maybe you can do boo wa kwe. Why ye ni tamawe na? Ubobo Prince. The word I'm telling you today, you will remember me. Not be me one beat you. Not be even people when you they insult. Rita Kokobiri, marriage, you not carry a family. You don't become the kingsman now of everybody family. Because say you define viewers. Make Facebook for increase money when they give you. Obey when your boy. Obey when your boy. Also na kata banwe. If small pikin they find waiting one killer, he go use his hand to go buy a Akpangiri bicycle. When we network we able, network a Wi-Fi we able na free. Maybe assume say that they buy and also say you go get this privilege when you just stay they run your tap mouth. I want play your voice. Ubobo, I want play with you talk to people. Otakole. Ogewe wari me. Ubobo. Imagine Rita Yowayawe marriage. Whether he marry Afghanistan man, whether he marry Igbo man, whether he even marry Don Prince. You carry your woman from Italy, come France. You abandon your woman for France here, you dey Italy. Your woman they don't give her house for France here. Now you come from Italy. Don Prince. When you still come from Italy, yes, you be person when you get mouth. That is why me, friends, will receive you. But The woman when you carry come from Italy, when he born pikin for you, Don Prince, you abandon that woman. Wetin my eye not see, wetin I not be witness to, I know the talk am. That's why I want to tell the world about Don Prince. Don Prince, you abandon your own woman when he born for you. When you close that business for Italy, Centro, when you dey do in a modern style, you carry a conference here. You na Centro boy, that one just clear. I want let them know your Centro not dey pay you the way you expect her. You abandon that woman. Sorry. The woman, your own woman when he born for you, not be this second one. So the woman, she complained to me, CKY, as the good caretaker. Now that one first cause quarrel between me and this same stupid Ogbogbo, this nuisance Ogbogbo. So when he say name na Don Prince, when the friend you come at that time saying na young prophet, yana gbe your egbere, ona fi no vere, yana ona we young prophet. Akewa mi no sunu ona the gbe like that. He said, "Owe, you're a Don Prince. Oligi oiwa gbe hian. A retire away marriage. Me ma e di rita na gwanka na o. De rita no se me. No we yo born a guy ni nu wa we kukba we bodos. No le nu ana we deport a Fred. They that same return ni no we do agba music akwo o ma me we my brother who we wa yo bu we ya turn even we because e was aloba no jojo ma. E wo egbeji ge, e wo egbeji ma. E rita yo wa ya we marriage o ma vie mo ugbogbo dem no we wo wa badon no ku. No ka bi omon we. Ze we iga duro na rie ne. Ti tomorrow oye myoko ni ye. Neno ko no bienwe iyan ve zuwa when we ve zuwa awoku gbogbo no ko abienu gbogbo no gbogbo ni a transfer de perigono de the village iwe uzuwa when gbogbo zuwa the way Don Prince stupid na so you that woman when fair born for us stupid Ugbogbo they see money they smoke igbo, if they see money they drink. Now see the adoro money when they give you and your pikin. Uvi ariege, uzua, you stupid. Ugbogbo Don Prince, what it make the woman when you still born second pikin? The woman when you born second pikin for, he drive you come off for us now. You know their place. I still join people when he still won't try that day. Mono I can't take measure say that my man sweet. When I spray, thank God say live video day, they show everything. When I take come for your birthday, when we live video over there, your CKY is there. Yes, I'm a good caretaker. We try everything to still take convince that woman, but oh my God, because you know why? You are a pretender. You are a pretender. Agata we emano package we social media ugbogbo we no Don Prince ya if Don Prince anytime Don Prince ya dey gbe away video what I made Don Prince where no kian lega make Don Prince make it waka. Okay, let me show you the example. Anytime when Don Prince they do live video again una when be followers no peye wo or definitely bagwana. Yes na follow why we no what am I why we no mwe camera again no wa mwe laga no mwe laga eti time where maybe I dey live comfortable more than am where iya gyo but mana mwe gwe yo to no salobo atewe mu eke no mani ye evani e o mani wa ayekia. That is what is worrying Don Prince no aye Don Prince. What am I? Why we no way for no girl latia? No can lega. What am I? Only one this thing because ozuaga here manolele mavialele azuo awe inya ya azuo maya ezuo ugbogbo Don Prince ou ka le egbe mom yore l'argent ou ze ou eyen we yes ou ya mi son followers ou de egbe l'argent ou why is it that a problem issue mais ni gonia payant venir social media I don't know I don't know when imagine voilà one social media presenter voilà mais ve un server where ou a only monetize page where things you go where we are promote page where instead of you to cause enmity all around you. Ikata mawe don't praise. Ikata mawe. Di avi koni nuwe onwe mwagbiyaria. Di amaiti buwe. Emo nuwe bie. Emo nuwe bie. Iyan agboe. Deni mave buwe. Emo nuwe tiebo niya. Una legbe niya tiebo niya. Iya wado wa video na. Iya agboe. Pega se. Iya wagboe kabo. Ima do ribu de noe. Ime do tamawe. Emi no sunu dawe. Vega agari ota. Ena. I'm not the pastor. I'm not a pastor. I'm a Christian, but the truth of the matter, I am prophesying what will later happen to the so-called Don Prince. Thank God Rita was able to go to Nigeria, no? Just listening when Omaya have stupid somebody, very stupid. Very stupid. Very stupid. Just imagine. Just imagine. Wago tuwa. Just imagine. Oh my God. Nuisance in a hina. Nuisance in a hina. These are nuisance. Ekenu gbogbo na we video na a public issue ogon ma nori e yo wano wenu mo se ama emie wan uma we ukopo weni ko we vi Francis ama emie oku okpa no we TV corner I be me we uvie travel we one day pari we nene bodos nu na gbotiti na we avi owo gbogbo ya to ma o gbogbo nu ya like bodos we make pari the nearest city wo aya to ma ama we eru aya gbe awe march ikwere no re bodos we ka mweko no pa maybe we have mweko na just imagine wa go managbon ide ni pe nada just listen to nuisance. Oh, na gbon na who get the money na big get no big get money nuisance na get money e wo bi no go get oh la dia best we get money wa me 10,000 euro cash oh ri ya to pay for the live video oh wa ri o de no o do me o do la je wo gbele na oro se dai wa we se se awe sa ozwe wiye gomari na ye ozwokpa ogyo nakamie omalaja do ri live video ugyo we no ruko ni public issue osalobo we de McDonald o kebab nya ke tu euro we victoire we yai wa dami o meme kareba o mo no watazo o we bede e ya fo wa ne 10,000 aro sa ki kareba o do le se claim o bu wa ko mo c'est clair wa dami o we in live fake life we bo wa go wa miakono ya vali wa o wa vali wa temi nere gbiyan yi gbiyan un dano ya webu ne mi no ma vi gbon wa o ma ya we marriage Lily Rock man no it's annoying. Lily Rock, frankly speaking, is annoying. I don't even know the Rita is talking about, but it's annoying. Why can't you see good in other people? Must you keep condemning people? The other time, I saw this same stupid boy carry. No. I just the wait, sha. Like me, I don't get what to fight, but they will still go be there. Imagine news.